How much of our nature is sold to sin? Does any part of this nature perfectly meet the mind of God?
For we know that the law is spiritual, but I am carnal, sold under sin. For I know that in me, that is, in my flesh, dwelleth no good thing. For to will is present with me, but how to perform that which is good I find not.
Your flesh, in other words, your human nature, is completely sold to sin. In the previous chapter of Romans, we read,
Know ye not that to whom ye yield yourselves servants to obey, his servants ye are to whom ye obey, whether of sin unto death or of obedience unto righteousness?
To be human is to be a servant of sin. No human being on their own is good, righteous, or sinless. Not only have we all broken the law of God, but our minds are so corrupt that our human nature is actually at war with God's law. Think about it this way. If you were described as someone at war with the laws of a country, you would be at war with the government itself. Being at war with God's government is definitely a losing proposition.